It's a follow-up video on my son's 1965 Malibu Super Sport that's having a new top installed. So they're almost finished with it. They'll be back tomorrow to do a tack strip on the top and some other molding, I think, around the windows. And so they're not quite finished, but they're close. See what it looks like. I was going to show how straight it is down the side, if you kind of see the reflections. So no waviness, or minimal if there's any, but I don't see it. Anyway, that's where the tack strip up there they haven't installed yet. I don't know if they did. There's kind of like a panel or a bag where the top goes into. If that's installed, I don't think they've done that yet, but they're getting close. He had to leave today, but before finishing, he's got another half hour, 45 minutes or more on it to have it done. But anyway, looks good all black with the red interior. The top up, the top down. Again, my son has it for sale. Cool looking tires and wheels on it. That's a 327. I think he's asking $39,900 for it, which I think is a pretty good price. So anyway, unless I forgot something, that kind of shows what it looks like with the new top. Look good at a car show, or at a cruise night, that's for sure.